Okay, here we go again. This time we're going to add or subtract polynomials. Why do we call them polynomials? Well, there's three types of nomials in the nomial family. There is polynomial, there's binomial, and there's trinomial. Okay, these are, or of course there's also monomial, but we don't talk about that very often. So we have x to the fourth, x squared plus x, 3x plus 2, x squared minus 2. So what we have here are two trinomials because they each have three terms in them. Together, okay, we bring them together, then we have another trinomial. Here we have, again, trinomials because they each have three terms. So I want to add them, and I want to combine what are called like terms. Okay, meaning that they have the same variable and the same exponent. Okay, so 1x to the fourth plus 3x to the fourth is like saying 1 apple plus 3 apples is 4 apples, so that is 4x to the fourth. Okay, why did I pick those? Because they have the same variable and the same exponent. So when I've gotten done with those, I take a marker of another color and I cross them out. So now I got rid of those. I don't need to use those anymore. Let's look at x squared plus x squared. Again, those are like terms. They have the same variable and the same exponent. So we add them together. 1x squared plus another x squared gives us 2x squareds. Okay, so we've got those taken care of. Now what about these terms here? We have an x and a negative 2 left. They're not like terms because this one is an x, that one's a 2. One's a variable, one is a number. They're not like terms, so we can't do anything with them, and we simply copy them down. So then that is our final answer there. In this one here, we have a subtraction. The subtraction is a special case because we have to take the minus sign and distribute it to all of these different terms. What does that mean? All it means is that 4x to the fourth plus x to the third plus x squared plus a minus. Okay, all it's saying is everything after the minus, including the minus, becomes its opposites. So this becomes minus 2x to the fourth, minus 3 becomes positive 3x cubed, minus x becomes positive x squared. So let's see if I can find our like terms now. So 4x to the fourth minus 2x to the fourth is going to be 2x to the fourth. They're like terms, they both have an x to the fourth with them. It doesn't matter what the coefficients are as long as they have the same variable and the same exponent. Here we have x to the third power plus 3x to the third power, which gives us 4x to the third power. Then we have x to the second power plus x to the second power gives us 2x to the second power. And that is your answer for that one. And that concludes adding and subtracting polynomials.